Did you know that every brain is wired differently? To understand this idea, think of your students' brains as a set of interstate freeways, two-lane highways, and back roads. Using this analogy, teachers can make 3 important connections to this brain rule. First, repetition. The paths traveled most often are like interstates. The larger routes don't just accommodate more traffic, they also have a higher speed limit, allowing messages to travel more rapidly along them. Information routes in the brain become larger and faster the more they're used, so the skills and knowledge that you use regularly have the fastest and strongest connections in the brain. Now, whenever a person learns something new, he or she forges a new pathway in the brain. Neurons split and make a new connection. The brain changes, it rewires itself. The new pathway is negligible at first, but if it is used repeatedly, it will become larger, deeper, and faster. Learners need to repeat in order to lay down strong pathways in the brain. This process of forging new pathways and then strengthening them is what teaching and learning are all about. When we teach our learners something new and then help them master it, we are helping them rewrite the roadmap of their brains. Second, small group instruction. In a crowded classroom, too many signals get lost and the teacher runs the risk of losing students along their individual highways. But in a small group, the teacher can more easily pick up on signals from everyone and make sure she's keeping everyone on track. Small groups are often comprised of students who have a similar knowledge base in their highways. Seeing who's frustrated and who is engaged will help guide your instruction. Third, differentiated assignments. Finally, let's consider the back roads of your students' minds. Although the major highways are in more or less the same places from person to person, the smaller routes differ, and the smallest ones can be totally unique to each person, so everyone's brain map is distinctly their own. Because the experiences and prior knowledge of students is so unique, each one comes to you with different abilities. In order to meet those needs, providing individualized assignments is key. To recap, brain rule number 3 tells us that every brain is wired differently. No two are identical. So, try using repetition, small groups, and differentiated instruction in your classroom. Your students' brains will thank you.